Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. Are you facing auto download problem in your Android phone? So here is the solution. First, we just need to go to Play Store option. So tap on it, tap on Play Store, go to your image icon on profile picture, click on this. On the right hand corner, top, go to settings. You can see manage apps and devices, notification and offers, payments and subscription. There are so many options, and go below, straight below, and you can see settings option is here. Click on it. Click on network preferences. Tap on it. Click on auto update apps. Click on it. Now you can see there are so many options. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update with limited amount of mobile data. Update over Wi-Fi, or the fourth option is don't auto update apps. So click on it. Go back. Restart the phone. And here your problem is resolved. So this is how you are going to stop automatically downloading apps in your mobile. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.